Hi scientists, Professor Beakerz here. Welcome back to the Beakerz Lab. We will be learning about the human body. So make sure you have your Beakerz Science box, mom, dad, or another adult, and meet me right back here. Today, we will be learning about the human body. Make sure that you have your body diagram because you will be building it over the next couple of lessons. Let's start with skin, muscles, and bones. Our skin is the largest organ in our body. Can you say organ? Good job. Organs serve a special purpose in our body, like our brains, our lungs, our hearts. Our skin protects everything on the inside. It's waterproof and it's flexible. Take your pipette. Drop some water on your skin. Does it soak in? No. Does it roll off? Okay. Now grab your skin. Can you pull on it or does it crumble? Does it break? No, it stretches. Pretty cool, right? Now let's move on to our muscles. Our muscles help our bodies move. Some of them are voluntary and some are involuntary. Can you say voluntary? Good job. That means we tell it what to do. So, do you tell your heart, that's a muscle, do you tell your heart to beat? Or does it do it on its own? Luckily, it does it on its own. I can't imagine having to tell it to beat all day and night. That means your heart is an involuntary muscle. We don't tell it. What about your arm muscle? Can you flex it? Yes. So does that make it voluntary or involuntary? I think it makes it voluntary. Great job. Next, we're going to talk about our bones. Our bones give us structure. They help us stand up straight. Otherwise, we would just be a big bag of mush. That's right. So our largest bone, what do you think that is? It's our thigh bone or the femur. Can you say femur? Good job. And the smallest bone is a tiny little thing in the inner ear called the stirrup. Pretty cool. Now, go ahead, add all of your bones onto your chart. Can you find the femur? Now, muscles you can color in around all of your bones, and the skin ties it all together. So go ahead and outline it. Great job, guys.